Hi all y'all out there. Today's video is our final chapter in our series on how Jazz and I have been making our mini ramp. I know this has taken a long time. It's been taking, I think, about 6 months at this point, but it's all me with the help of Jazz here and there too, but mostly me. So it's been difficult, but a lot of challenge, but we're almost done, as you can see. This little segment, or this final video, is going to be talking about the railings. As you can see, we've got the railings up. The final surface on the deck is not done yet. The plywood is up there, but I got the railings done. So how we did these railings is I discovered them at Lowe's. We were at Lowe's one day. Home Depot has them as well. They're pre-made railings. They come in 6-foot lengths. The ones on the back. Well, for example, our ramp is 12 feet wide. So 2 sections at 6 feet long. They work perfectly. They're longer than necessary, so because you have your supports in between, all you have to do is cut them to fit. They already have the slabs, the vertical slabs screwed into them, so they're really nice. They're about 65 bucks right now per section, per 6-foot section. So I bought 4 of them. We bought 4 of them, 2 for each deck on the back. And then you can also buy them individually, like these down here.
Oh.
Yeah, these are this has already been cut, but you can get these in, they're 6-foot lengths, and these are the vertical slabs that basically go in there, and you screw them from this side, and you screw them in place. So you have to basically cut these. So our ramp, on our side, this side is 4 feet. The deck is 4 feet deep. I wanted a full-size deck on this side. And on the other side, it's 3 feet deep. Again, your decks are going to depend on what you want, but we wanted a 3-foot on this side so we could walk around the back of the house and basically not have this ramp take up the entire yard.
Yeah.
So it fits nicely. So basically what we did is I bought the 2 6-foot sections already ready to go, and then I bought enough of these to cut and make the 4 sides actually, and this side's 3 foot and that side's 4 foot. So what I did is I took these 2x4s, here, and they're 8 foot long 2x4s, and I basically cut them in half so I can use one 8-foot 2x4 for, you just basically utilize the amount of wood that you're using. So I cut these 8-foot in basically 4-foot lengths and screwed them to the side. I left the inside of this off so that basically you can clamp these. You want to get some clamps like this one here. There's all different kinds at Home Depot, Lowe's, any hardware store, which it makes it so much easier to get a few of these clamps. They have different sizes. And what I did is I left the top of the surface off or open so that I could get up there and clamp the 2x4s in place. Of course, you want to make sure they're level, and once you get them where you want them, you just screw them in to the sides. I may add some nuts and bolts to them just to make it strong and sturdy, but it seems pretty sturdy right now. So basically what I did is you start with your post. I started with the front. I don't know, again, if there's any rhyme or reason or rules to any of this, but I started with this one, made sure it was level this way, got the height where I wanted it, so that once we're up on our roller skates, the height is right there, so it's a perfect height. It's a little over 30 some inches tall, 35 inches or so tall. So you put your 2x4s in, make sure they're all level. Once you on the corners here, I've got one going this way. They're, as you can see how they are, and then around the corner here, I've got this one screwed into the 2x4 on this side, so it's really strong on the corners here. And then they sell these little L braces. I don't know if Jazz can see them. They're up. You can see them here at the top. Got one here, little corner braces, and you just get whichever braces are going to fit yours, and make sure you get weatherproof ones so they're good for outdoor. So screw all you want to get your 2x4s in. Make sure they're nice and level. What I did is I actually, once I got one in, to make sure that side was level, I clamped the other 2x4 to the back corner and put my level up there and make sure it was nice and level, and then screwed it in, and you just go all the way around. It's like building a fence. It's not that difficult. So we've got the railings done, as you can see here. And next is we're going to seal all the railings and put the final deck top surface on the top. And we still have the urethane down here on the surface. And as we discussed in our previous video, we're trying to learn what's going to be the good skating surface that's not going to be slippery. This is slippery when it gets wet. So what we've decided to use is we're not using skate paint. We're not going to put the what's the real expensive top coat that you can
Skate
buy?
Light?
Skate Light or
Gator
Skins. They're
Skins?
really expensive, like 150, 160 bucks a sheet. Super expensive. We're just going with standard urethane. What we're going to do, I've got 2 layers of urethane on this. We're just going to sand it with like 180, scuff it up so it will absorb the moisture, and we're going to skate on it for a while and see how it holds up. And we'll let you guys know in the future. You're going to be seeing us skate this ramp here pretty soon. We're super excited. Jazz's birthday was just a few days ago, and I was trying to get it done by her birthday as a birthday present to her, but I didn't quite make it. But we are pretty much ready to skate now. So Jazz has put all these little chapters in a nice little playlist down below. So you guys, if you want to see the building of this ramp from the beginning to the end, and you can see how we've done it, you guys can give us any input, ideas for, making it last longer outside. We'd love to hear your comments, suggestions, and all that. And negative comments too, we like those too, because it's all about constructive criticism. So we appreciate you guys checking out our channel as always. Hit the like for, if you like this video, and for more content, hit that bell. Appreciate it again. Thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you next time, skaters. Bye.